Live from Arnold's Way. I'm with Katie. Hi.
Hi.
I guess I've known Katie for I've known Katie now for how many months? 7 months, something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
For whatever reason, I was destined to be with Katie as an inspiration to changing the world. What do you think about that?
I think there's some truth to that.
There is some truth to that. So what I've noticed is that about 6 months ago I was ready to retire. I mean, I've had it. I mean, I just didn't feel like doing this anymore. For whatever reason, Katie's friend inspired me to go on, and now I'm going on for another 10 years. And I also, because of it, I decided to write. What I'm doing is every week I'm writing a different article about a different disease. And I've written almost like 300 articles, I would say. I try to make this funny. It's not funny, right? It's hard, you know. I'm a funny guy.
Let's see. It's 8:45 in the morning on a Thursday.
On a Thursday, right? And I asked Katie to be here at 8:30.
And I was. Right.
You are 8:30 on the dot. And you were a meat eater before you came? Before you met me? No.
Yeah. I mean, not beef or anything, but from time to time I was eating chicken, fish.
You're right.
Dairy products too. I've cut down on dairy products significantly, and I don't eat any meat anymore.
So because of Katie and her story, I'm right now working with two people, one with colitis, one with alcohol and drug addiction. We'll be filming them shortly. For the most part, they disappeared. I've written articles on brain cancer disappear. I've written articles on breast cancer disappear, ovarian cancer disappear, asthma, colitis, all these diseases disappear once you get more in tune to the natural healing mechanism. My goal is to spread the word. I want to increase my YouTube. I want to increase my Facebook. I am inspired. At 70 years old, I feel like I'm getting a second win.
That's great.
A second win.
Yeah.
A second win.
Not everyone gets that. That's very special.
It is very special. I also, at 70 years old, I would say my last partner was Megan. Hi, Megan. She was my last partner. And we did like 170 films together. This is almost a different level. Same level, but different level. I just want to just share the idea that for the most part, take charge of your dietary habits, take charge of your mindset.
Just be aware of what you're putting into your body.
And every moment's a moment of love.
That's so true.
And that's really the key. Every moment's a moment of love.
Yes.
Even though I can see these teeth. I actually had these teeth glued in like 15 years ago. The glue finally fell off, and I'm getting new dentures. Look, I gotta really put that out there because.
The more you talk about your insecurities, the less power they have over you, right?
Are you insecure?
Yeah, about who's not? Who's not insecure?
I'm totally insecure.
Yeah.
I mean, you know a lot of my insecurities. You know a lot of my insecurities?
Yeah, you know a lot of my insecurities because we're friends.
We're friends, yeah.
We share that with each other.
Yeah.
Everyone's on their own journey.
Yeah, I have a lot of insecurities.
That's what I've learned. That's one of the biggest things I've learned.
Is that right? Everyone's on their own journey.
Yeah, and you can't rush other people or, I don't know.
Anyway.
Just everything that goes along with that, I guess.
I tell Katie almost on a daily basis that I love you so much.
Yeah.
I do. As a friend.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it. And I just want to keep on moving, keep on sharing. The love is the key factor. And every day, and knowing what I know, symptoms will greatly disappear just by changing your diet, change your attitude, and I have a can-do attitude. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
What else? Do you have anything else to say?
No.
Okay, let's wrap it up.
Bye.
Bye.